Okay, let's be serious. Hello. Welcome. My name is Audrey. Just having a busy day today. So I'm going to town just to buy a few bits, maybe a balloon, a cake and stuff for my partner, Daddy. It's his birthday today. So yeah, I'm a bit last minute, but I'm gonna try my best to get, exactly what I want done. Yeah, and then we'll see where the day takes us, what else we're gonna do. Maybe we'll do a barbecue, but I don't know, we'll see. And yeah, let's go.
I don't know which one to get, this one or this one.
I like this,
Yeah.
but I don't like the edges on it.
But I like it. I like the edges.
Or oh no. Or this one. This one's alright. I like this one. It's like posh.
Yeah.
But that one says happy birthday. So which one do you choose? We'll go for the one you choose. Which one? Which one are you going for?
So if we're argument, one buy and one come down low. So
Stop.
this one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go for this one. Chosen by the daughter, your firstborn. This is Dad. Hope you have a beautiful birthday.
Yeah. Just that.
Happy birthday to Dad, who is
Dad.
amazing, brilliant, the best.
Daddy.
This one is nice. Wishing you a birthday that's as special as you are. Okay, I know which one. This one. So that's all done. We've got my balloons, cake, everything. I just need to pop to another shop to get coal and tomatoes for the barbecue.
Hello. So I'm gonna go to the car now. And like her car is here. Sometimes you get it. So, but the other ticket means. I don't know what the ticket means. So the tickets are somewhere in my lane. Let's see, open the door. But I'm gonna open this here. Wait. So the door's not closing yet. And like so sorry guys. So if you're doing barbecue, no, we see, and oh my god, oh my god, look at this. Oh no, where's the ticket? So.
Yeah, but if you... Yeah. Hello. We're back in the car. One more errand and I think we're done. We should be done, hopefully. Because I don't like up and down though. And we need to spend time with him. So yeah. To the next location. Hello. Welcome back. I've just got back home now. And I'm just changing this little one's nappy. I've just given her some milk, so she's settled now. And yeah, we've got everything. I hope it's everything. Knowing me, I've probably forgotten something, but I've tried my best. Got the balloons in the back there, big 3-0. I didn't get too much. I don't know if that's too much for him, anyways. But yeah. And then we did get a bottle of AU. And Yeezys and a little card we're gonna write in to say happy birthday. And then I'm just gonna also set out the meat in the kitchen just so that we can you know, if you're having a barbecue, you need to be, you know, well organized, literally, because everything will be manic if not. So yeah, I'm just doing that. Hi. Hi, madam. Don't you think this little cheese is so cute? Yeah. Loving the weather now. The weather's looking good. For now. Fingers crossed it stays. But, you know, what can you say with this British weather, you know? Yeah. Peace out. See you on the other side. Right. Hello. Alright, so I'm just gonna make myself a quick toast and tea. I haven't really eaten anything properly today, so I'm just gonna quickly do that for myself. Just open myself a big cup of toast.